Hey baddies, my name is Marissa and today I'm going to be showing you guys a quick, easy tutorial on how to get heatless body wave curls in your hair. So if you're tired of using styling tools and heat damage on your hair, then this is the perfect style for you. And the great part about this is you don't have to wait overnight. You can literally get results within an hour. So if you're interested, keep watching, and yeah, let's get started. So first things first, you're going to want to use a leave-in conditioner. I'm using Sebastian's Potion 9 leave-in treatment. A regular old hairbrush. I'm using a paddle brush, a plain old paddle brush, and then you're gonna also need some water. So you're gonna wanna start with dry hair. And normally like day 2 hair or day 3 hair works best on this hairstyle because it has like more texture, you know, at least for me, and it just seems to hold the curls more. So just brush your hair through like so. All right, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna take your leave-in conditioner and pour a little on your hand, rub it together, and then just put it in your hair. And you don't want your hair to be like soaking wet, you just kind of want it to be damp. So the wetter your hair is, the longer it's gonna take to dry. So like that's why you don't want it to be like super, super wet, but just enough. And then I'm just gonna take my hairbrush again and then just brush it through so it like gets all of my hair. And I'm just gonna put a little bit more because you see how dry this is at the bottom? It didn't like go through all to the bottom, so I just wanna put another decent amount like that, and then just spread it in my hand and then go through the bottom because you want the curls to be through the bottom as well, or should I say the waves? Yeah, that's perfect. So like all of my hair, it feels pretty damp right now, and that's just exactly how I want it. So I'm gonna brush it through one more time. And now what I'm going to do is section my hair into 2 sections, but watch how I do this because I don't wanna go like this. I don't want 2 sections like that. Why? Because then there's gonna be like a split in the middle in the back of my head, and when I unbraid it, you're gonna see like a part, and we don't want to see the part. So what you're gonna do is I pull my hair to this side, and then let's see, there you go. Don't know if you can see this, like that. I kind of I go like diagonal, like I start and I go diagonal. It makes it more seamless when you do this. So you're gonna want like 2 sections like that. So what you're gonna do when you have your 2 sections is take your hand and turn on the faucet of water. Literally dip your hand in it. So I just did it, and then my hand's a little wet. And then I just 1 strand, 2 strand, and then on the 3rd strand I do the same. So now they're like a little bit more wet, but it's wet with water and product and not just product. And I just feel like this makes it like stick better, you know what I'm saying? So then I'm gonna take my 3 strands and start braiding my hair all the way down. So all right, so do the same over here. Take your water, wet your hand, and run it through your hair. All right. So basically you just walk around crazy looking like this for like about an hour or 45 minutes. Depends how long it takes for your hair to dry. And then you open it up and I guess I'll show you when I get back. So it's been about 45 minutes and my hair is pretty much dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these braids out and show you guys the final result. And when you open your braids, like try to be careful when you open them because you know you are going for, you know, a certain look, so you don't want to open them all crazy because then your hair can get all crazy and it'll ruin like the body wave look. All right, so this is what you're left with. And what I do, I just kind of like shake them like I'm doing right now, and they kind of just like fall into place. Yeah, so this is the look. So let me know what you guys think. Alright, so that's pretty much it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more videos from me, please hit that subscribe button. And let me know in the comments down below, did you guys like this video? Did you like the tutorial? Is it something that you're going to try out? Have you tried it before? I want to know it all. So go ahead and leave a comment and I'll be sure to reply. So until the next video, bye!